Cells are the building blocks of life, each with a specific job in our bodies. Some help us breathe, others digest food like workers in a factory. Cells grow, divide, and die in a controlled cycle, guided by instructions in their DNA. The nucleus acts as the cell's command center, holding this vital DNA code. Healthy cells follow these instructions, knowing when to grow and when to stop. This balance keeps our bodies functioning smoothly. When cells get damaged, they usually repair themselves or self-destruct if the damage is too great. These safety measures protect us from problems. Most of the time, our bodies handle damaged cells well, but sometimes a damaged cell doesn't die as it should. This can lead to bigger issues, like cancer. Understanding normal cell function is key to understanding what goes wrong in cancer. It's the first step in unraveling how this disease starts. Let's see how these processes can go off track. Cancer begins when cells grow out of control, refusing to die when they should. This happens because of mutations, changes in the DNA instructions. Mutations can be caused by outside factors like smoking or too much sun, or simply by chance during cell division. Usually the body fixes these mistakes, but sometimes they slip through. Not all mutations cause cancer, but some make cells ignore signals to stop growing. This uncontrolled growth can form a tumor. There are over 100 types of cancer, each starting in a different part of the body, but all cancers share one thing: they start with a mutation. Understanding this is key to finding better treatments. Mutations are changes in DNA that can happen naturally or from outside factors. Every time a cell divides, it copies its DNA, and mistakes, mutations, can occur. If these mutations affect genes controlling growth, cancer can result. Chemicals from smoking or UV rays from the sun can also damage DNA. Some mutations give cells a growth advantage, leading to rapid multiplication and tumor formation. Tumors can be benign or malignant. The latter can invade other parts of the body. The body has repair systems, but when they fail, cancer can develop. Not all mutations are harmful, but those that are can be dangerous. Understanding how mutations work helps scientists target cancer cells. This knowledge is crucial for developing new treatments. Normal cells follow rules. They know when to grow and when to stop. Cancer cells ignore these rules, growing and dividing uncontrollably due to DNA mutations. They don't listen to signals from other cells and keep multiplying even when not needed. Unlike normal cells, cancer cells can spread to other parts of the body, a process called metastasis. This ability to move and invade makes cancer dangerous. Cancer cells can also hide from the immune system, making them hard to destroy. Normal cells stay put and communicate with each other to maintain order. Cancer cells break these rules, tricking the body's defenses. Understanding these differences helps scientists develop better ways to stop cancer. It's the key to finding more effective treatments. Let's see how research is making a difference. Scientists use powerful tools like microscopes and genetic testing to study cancer cells. By comparing cancer DNA to normal DNA, they identify mutations that drive cancer. This knowledge leads to targeted therapies, treatments that attack cancer cells while sparing healthy ones. Researchers test new drugs on cancer cells in the lab to see how they work. Some drugs stop cancer growth, others help the immune system find and destroy cancer cells. Clinical trials test these treatments in people, bringing new hope. Each discovery brings us closer to better, more personalized treatments. Scientists also study lifestyle factors to understand cancer risk. This research helps people make choices to lower their risk. Progress is steady thanks to ongoing research. Let's look at the hope this brings for the future. There's real hope in the fight against cancer. New therapies like targeted treatments and immunotherapy are making a difference. These approaches attack cancer cells more precisely and help the immune system fight back. Prevention is just as important. Avoiding smoking, eating well, and protecting skin from the sun all lower risk. Scientists are learning more about what causes cancer and how to stop it before it starts. Each breakthrough brings us closer to a world with less cancer. Researchers, doctors, and patients are working together for better solutions. With continued research and awareness, the future looks brighter. Hope is stronger than ever in the fight against cancer.